I'm going to share with you an easy 7-step protocol for you to get rid of cellulite in the next 28 days. This works so well that if you follow the steps I'm about to outline, in the next month you'll notice significant changes with cellulite and loose flabby skin. The best news, it doesn't matter how long you've had cellulite and loose flabby skin or your age, this is going to work like a charm. How do I know that? Because skin cells regenerate every 28 days. And if we could implement what I'm about to show you, in the next 28 days when your skin cells regenerate, it'll be healthier skin cells to reduce the appearance of cellulite and tighten your skin. I'll be sure to include all the studies and references in the notes down below for you to check out. The first step in your protocol is to consume these specific foods proven through research to reduce cellulite and tighten your skin. The first is a set of antioxidant-rich foods: blueberries and green leafy vegetables. Blueberries are high in antioxidants that support skin health and reduce inflammation, which can help improve the appearance of cellulite. And green leafy vegetables such as arugula and others are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect and hydrate skin cells, potentially reducing cellulite over time. The next set of foods are foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. For example, wild-caught salmon is terrific. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon play a significant role in maintaining the structural integrity of cell membranes, reducing inflammation, and improving blood circulation. These effects help with the visibility of cellulite. Next, we have high fiber rich foods. Foods high in fiber, like soaked beans and lentils and a few others, aid in detoxification and maintaining a healthy digestive system. Efficient toxin removal and good digestion can help reduce the appearance of cellulite by promoting overall skin health and reducing fat accumulation. Then we have collagen rich foods. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and strength to the skin, helping it maintain elasticity and firmness. When collagen production declines with age, the skin becomes thinner and less elastic, which can exacerbate the appearance of cellulite. Yes, you can supplement with collagen and take collagen peptides, and that can improve the skin texture and elasticity, making the skin appear much smoother and reducing the visibility of cellulite. By supporting the skin's structural integrity, collagen helps to create a more even and firm skin surface, thereby diminishing the dimpled appearance characteristic of cellulite. And I'll drop some studies down below on what collagen does for cellulite. Here are the top 5 foods rich in collagen. Bone broth, made from simmering animal bones and connective tissues. It's a rich source of collagen. Chicken skin and chicken cartilage. Chicken contains an abundance of connective tissues and cartilage, which is high in collagen. Fish and fish skin is a good source of collagen, especially wild-caught sardines. They're packed with collagen. You want to make sure you get it with olive oil, with the skin and the bones still intact. Number 3 are eggs and egg whites. Eggs contain a high amount of proline, an amino acid that is essential for collagen production. And the 5th collagen-rich food is citrus fruits. Lemons, limes, grapefruits. While not directly containing collagen, they are rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. The second step in your protocol is to remove vegetable oils. Vegetable oils are also called polyunsaturated fatty acids, linoleic acid, and seed oils. Vegetable oils create a lot of inflammation in your body. Arguably, vegetable oils will create more inflammation, more cellulite, and more rapid aging than processed sugar and even smoking. We know these bad oils raise gelatinous B, which is produced by stromal cells or mast cells during the late proliferative endometrial phase and just after ovulation. Gelatinous B is associated with inflammation. When you consume vegetable oils, it raises gelatinous B and it enhances water binding, further worsening the appearance of cellulite through swelling. So here's a list of the oils, the fats you want to remove immediately. We have canola oil, called rapeseed oil in the UK, corn oil, cottonseed oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, rice bran oil, grapeseed oil, refined peanut oil, and fish oil. Instead, we want to swap those for stable, healthy fats that actually support cell membranes and your skin's integrity. These are called saturated fats and monounsaturated fats. The best fats to cook your foods in would be saturated fats. These include butter, ghee, beef tallow, duck fat, and lard from healthy, non-hydrogenized sources. And the best oils for salad dressings and dips will be coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. Now, when you're at restaurants, 99% of the time, they're going to be using the bad fats we spoke about. So that means it's going to be very difficult when you're eating out to avoid those bad fats. But I have a little trick for you. This is what I do at restaurants. I use my seed oil allergy card, which shows those bad fats I mentioned, that you cannot consume them, and the healthier swaps for the server and the chef to accommodate you. And it works like a charm. You can download it for free over at seedoilcard.com. I'll drop a link down below in the notes for you. The third step in your protocol is to achieve a process in your body called autophagy. The Greek definition for autophagy is eat thyself. That sounds pretty wicked, but it's actually a really important process for not just preventing disease, but for regenerating those skin cells faster so you can see a better effect with the reduction of cellulite and a reduction in your loose, flabby skin. Autophagy is the body's process of looking for cells that are damaged, that are inflamed, that are not working properly, including skin cells, and cleaning them up and getting rid of. And the innate intelligence within your body is so smart that if a cell is not functioning at all, even a skin cell, it'll send a signal to get rid of that cell altogether. This is called apoptosis, programmed cell death. Then it goes a step farther and it produces a stem cell, which is a new cell, and ideally we want that to be a new skin cell. So there are two main ways to achieve autophagy. The first one is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting triggers autophagy, which I mentioned is a cellular process that helps to eliminate bad old cells and can result in healthier skin, less fat tissue, and stronger collagen fibers. According to the National Institute on Aging, these studies indicate that intermittent fasting can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of cellulite by enhancing the body's ability to repair and regenerate skin cells. There are many studies out there showing what intermittent fasting does for autophagy and skin health and health in general, and I'll include all of those down below. The question you're probably thinking right now is, okay, how many hours do I need to fast to achieve autophagy? Autophagy is always on in the body, but in order to enhance it and ramp it up for this effect, we want to make sure we're in a fast for at least 16 hours every day. That's where most people will start to turn on the process of autophagy. That means for 16 hours, you are fasted, and then for 8 hours, you're having your meals, your calories. So that would look like on your calendar, for example, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. eating window, and then 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day, fasting window. What can you have during your fast? Water, coffee, tea, electrolytes, and supplements. That's it. If you really want to enhance the benefits of autophagy, I encourage you to complete a 24-hour fast once a week, where you go dinner to dinner, lunch to lunch, or even breakfast to breakfast, 1 day per week for a 24-hour fast to really ramp up the production of autophagy and reduce the appearance of cellulite. Another benefit that comes when you practice fasting is that your body produces ketones, which is a byproduct of burning fat. So you get the benefit of losing weight, but ketones are highly anti-inflammatory. Research reviewed by the National Institute of Aging and published in the New England Journal of Medicine highlighted that intermittent fasting induces metabolic switching, where the body shifts from using sugar, glucose, to ketones for energy. This switch enhances the body's defenses against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are contributors to cellulite formation. By reducing inflammation and promoting fat metabolism, intermittent fasting can help improve skin appearance and reduce cellulite over time. The second way to enhance autophagy is with exercise. Exercise such as strength training and burst training will achieve autophagy. The ideal schedule is 3 exercise sessions every week. All it takes is 3 to 4 strength training or burst training workouts per week, 30 minutes each workout. The movements that get you the biggest bang for your buck will be burpees, squats, sprinting, push-ups, and shoulder presses. The fourth step in your protocol is photobiomodulation therapy, also called red light therapy. Red light therapy and near-infrared light therapy uses specific wavelengths to penetrate the skin and reach the mitochondria. This stimulation enhances collagen and elastin production, which improves skin thickness and elasticity, thereby reducing cellulite. Additionally, improved blood circulation and lymphatic drainage is stimulated by red light therapy, helping in reducing fluid accumulation in fat cells, which can contribute to the reduction in cellulite. A systematic review highlighted the combining of photobiomodulation therapy and other therapies such as mechanical tissue manipulation and radiofrequency, and it showed significant improvements in reducing cellulite. The review included multiple studies where combined therapies were more effective than just using phototherapy alone, but phototherapy alone still will get you results. Another study evaluated the clinical efficacy of red light therapy, and it found that red light therapy significantly reduced the severity of cellulite. Participants in the study experienced a downgrade in cellulite after following a regimen of red light therapy. So the best use of red light therapy will be 10-minute sessions twice per day. If you have a full panel, then what you want to do is stand in front of it about 5 to 10 inches away for 10 minutes, turn around, 10 minutes, do that twice a day. If you have more of a targeted panel, like a smaller panel, then you want to put it on that area where you have cellulite, again, 10 inches away for 10 minutes, twice per day. There are two products that I personally use for red light therapy. They are high quality, and I gotta say, not all red light therapy devices are the same. These work really well. They have different wavelengths, the ones that you want to achieve to get this result. So I use the one from Sonaspace called the Photon Beam, and I use the one from Bond Charge, which is a panel. And I'll drop links and coupon codes for both of them in the notes down below. The fifth step is to balance two key hormones, estrogen and adiponectin. Let's talk about estrogen first. Studies show that estrogen dominance, individuals who have high amounts of estrogen have high amounts of cellulite. And I'll drop some studies down below. But also, low amounts of estrogen seem to be problematic as well. This study on PubMed showed during menopause, low estrogen concentration is responsible for increased vascular permeability and decreased vascular tone, which led to microcirculation impairment and are important factors predisposing to the development of cellulite. So how do you know if you have high levels of estrogen? Here are the most common symptoms with people who have high levels of estrogen. Number one, weight gain, especially around the hips, waist, and thighs. Number two, menstrual irregularities, heavy cramping, heavy PMS during your monthly cycle. Number three, mood swings, including irritability, anxiety, and depression. Number four, breast changes such as tenderness, swelling, or fibrocystic breast, and for men, man boobs. And number five, fatigue, persistent tiredness, and low energy levels. Here are the common symptoms associated with low estrogen, typically in postmenopausal women: hot flashes and night sweats, sudden feelings of warmth, often accompanied by sweating, vaginal dryness leading to discomfort or pain during intercourse, mood changes including feelings of depression, anxiety, and mood swings, irregular or absent periods in menstruating women, and sleep disturbances. If you suspect that you have high levels of estrogen, then the best thing you can do is take DIM as a supplement, consume more broccoli and cruciferous vegetables, and stay away from beer and plastic bottles. If you suspect you have low amounts of estrogen and progesterone, then consuming citrus fruits, sweet potatoes, and eating carbohydrates the 7 days before your monthly cycle will increase estrogen. The best way to know what your estrogen levels are is to get a Dutch test done. This is a 24-hour urine test, and it is the best, most accurate way to know what your estrogen levels are, so ask your doctor for that test. Adiponectin is the other hormone we want to focus on and optimize here. Adiponectin is a hormone produced by adipose fat tissue that plays a crucial role in regulating glucose levels and fatty acid breakdown. It enhances insulin sensitivity, making it easier for cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream, thus helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. In terms of fat loss, adiponectin boosts the body's ability to break down fat and reduces the accumulation of fat cells. Regarding skin health, adiponectin has anti-inflammatory properties that help to protect the skin from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. This hormone also plays a crucial role in collagen production, essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles and cellulite. By promoting better metabolism and reducing inflammation, adiponectin contributes to overall skin vitality and a healthier body composition. And I'll drop some studies on adiponectin in the notes down below. Here are the 6 best ways to improve adiponectin in your body. Number 1, exercise. We already discussed that and the importance of exercise. Number 2, olive oil. Number 3, wild-caught fish. Number 4, olives. Number 5, avocados. And number 6, berries. The 6th step in your protocol is coffee and caffeine. That's wonderful news for my fellow caffeine drinkers out there. But it's true, research shows that caffeine from coffee does help with cellulite. This study, titled Evaluation of the Effects of Caffeine in the Microcirculation and Edema on Thighs and Buttocks Using Spectral Imaging, showed acute effects of coffee on skin blood flow and microvascular function. The study said that caffeine, as ingested by drinking caffeinated coffee, acutely improves endothelium-dependent microvascular responses in the forearm skin, while endothelium-independent responses to PORH and SNP were not affected. Blood flow in the fingertip decreases 3 markedly during the first hour after drinking caffeinated coffee compared to decaffeinated coffee. So the study showed that you could actually apply caffeine topically like in a cream or consume the coffee to get this benefit. So I would recommend consuming about 1 to 2 cups of quality coffee per day and potentially using it topically, but it needs to be the right coffee beans that's organic, free of contaminants. We don't want to drink inflammatory coffee that has a bunch of pesticides. So I personally endorse and use Purity Coffee. Best tasting, cleanest coffee in the world. You can check them out over at 𝙄𝙬𝘾coffee.com and use the coupon code 𝙄𝙬𝘾 for 15% off. And the final step in your protocol is to use low heat phototherapy and acupuncture pressure points. What the heck does that mean? Well, there's a company that produces these patches. They're called LifeWave Patches, and they are incredible. For example, Alavita, which is one of the patches, you wear this for 12 hours, and it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and cellulite. So I usually put this on at night right here on my forehead, but you could potentially put this on the area that's problematic on your body. And what this does, it uses your own body's heat that we naturally emit, and it delivers it back to your body, and then you're putting this on specific acupuncture pressure points, and it comes with where to put it, and it allows your innate intelligence to do the job. So this one, the Alavita one, helps with fine lines and wrinkles and cellulite. The X39 patch, which I put behind my neck, helps with stem cell production. When I first started learning about these patches, I was very skeptical. You might be skeptical too, but I decided to go all in and use them and look at all their studies. They have over 91 clinical studies. I've personally seen incredible results with these patches. So for the purpose of reducing cellulite and loose skin, I would recommend getting the Alavita and the X39 patches. Here are some testimonials about what the patches have done for skin health. So you can see here, before and after, they started the patches on October 21st, and on September 22nd, her skin looked completely different. She anti-aged within a year. And this one is showing 90 days worth of results, and you can see the before and after. She looks much better. You can see her with the glasses on there from wearing the X39 patches. And this one here is 7 months of wearing the X39. You can see her before and after. She looks absolutely incredible. And lastly, you can see the progress here of skin health as it relates to the neck and the chest area. They started January 22nd, and by July 14th, you could see clear differences in the appearance of their skin just by putting on these patches. If you'd like to learn more about the patches, head over to ketocamp.com/lifewave to learn more and order them. That page also includes some short videos for you to learn more about them and all of the research studies and where to place the patches. Another way to dramatically reduce the appearance of cellulite and loose skin is with fat loss. If you're overweight right now, then your goal should be to lose weight the right way. So thankfully for you, I recently put out a video on how to lose a pound of fat every single day until you achieve your goal weight. Click the video on the screen to watch that next. I'll see you there. Best part about this protocol, you don't have to suffer. You don't even have to count a single calorie. You don't have to rely on willpower. When we eat food, especially carbohydrates are turned into strings of sugar